Hello, my name is Alexandre Pierson, and I am a full-stack developer at Samp. I wanted to join Samp 3 years ago because I wanted to be part of building a solution from scratch, a solution that is helpful for people in their day-to-day work, and also that can help in the industry decarbonization. As a full-stack developer, a typical day looks like creating or improving features in the solution, and also working with not only the dev team, but other members of Samp. My superpower would be to be able to speak in English without my French accent. Seriously, my superpower would be instant learning, so the ability to assimilate and understand any kind of knowledge. That would be useful for Samp to accelerate and improve our features, to better understand our customer needs. So in the morning, I'm doing black tea and green tea the rest of the day.